Come on. What the hell is that? Damn it.
Where do we begin? How about a magic trick? And here we go.
Bienvenue encore sur Joker's Magnet. Welcome back to Joker's Magnet. We are at St-Jean-Sur-Richelieu. It's a bit cold. Still have some ice going through, but we have a clear path right here to magnet fish. Fait qu'on a un beau petit coin proche du bord avec un peu de glace qui se promène. Sinon, ben, on s'en va faire de la pêche. So we will go do some magnet fishing. Hope you enjoy. Bye. So today we're going to use the Magnetar Terror. As you can see, Magnetar. It's not that, c'est pas très profond. It's not that that deep. So let's go. Here we go. More nails. More. I always mixed up nails and screws. Well, we've got a 25 cents. On a 25 cents. Des vis. Puis, ça c'est de la junk. Petit morceau de métal ici. Small piece of metal. Maybe part of a nail. Screw. 25 cents. Debris. Gobbly-goo. Like Squash loves saying. Some gobbly-goo. I wonder if the gobbly-goo from Florida is different from this one here. I'm sure they smell the same. Ooh, oh, I think we got something. I'm cut. Yes, we've got something. Some bolts, screws. Screw. We've got a nail. No, it's a screw too. We have a little something. On a un petit quelque chose. It's part of a beam that has been cut off. And a small screw. Some fishing gear, small metal outlet or something. Another bolt. Okay, we've got some bolts and screw. Cool. Oh, that's cool. I got a wine opener, and I'm sure I can clean it and it still works. That's cool. Oh yeah, it works. Yeah, it cannot work more perfectly than that. Yeah, needs a bit of cleaning, and this bad boy is gonna be good to go. Who likes wine? Please let me know in the comments. Okay. That's their cable. Cable like U-bolt thing. I think it's that. Small corner piece. Un petit coin de petit fer angle. Angle iron. I'm pulling something. Oh, it's part of a gear, and someone use it as for fishing, I think. To go in the bottom. Quelqu'un qui a utilisé ça pour aller dans le fond de l'eau pour la pêche. C'est cool. C'est un petit peu trop rouillé. Too much rust on it. Let's go more on the back of the pipe, maybe. I don't have a good grip on it. Mother. Here we go.
You guessed it!
I hate trailing.
Right.
It had a little bit of diarrhea. Okay. It's been long enough that I catch something big. Is that a piece of rod? No, it's c'est vide. Excusez. C'est vide. It's hollow inside. It must be maybe electrical pipe, but normally it's aluminum. Oh, do I have a U-bolt or an old U-bolt? Yeah. Un vieux U-bolt. D'après moi, ça a servi à tenir du tuyau. Come on. What the hell is that? Damn it. Whew. That was huge. It looks like a hexagonal nut, but that big of nut, never seen that big. I know there was a, I don't know if you see over there the street, this was an old bridge, maybe 50 years ago, comme il y a 50 ans. Ça c'était un pont qui passait en ligne droite ici. It was going through here to over there, and then they created, not this one, but there was another one, and then they built this one. Okay, let's go back, catching that huge thing. Where did it go? You have like a Allen bolt. Encore. Plus de bolt. I think I'm on it. Let go again. C'est encore lâché. Ça, je peux pas être sur le bord. Stupid railings. Okay, let's take a moment. What the hell? Is that just a piece of steel? Or what? What the hell? Merde, c'est quoi ça? C'est quoi ça? C'est une roche. En tout cas, ça doit être un morceau de fer brut ou quelque chose, là, je peux pas croire là. Au poids que ça pèse. Puis au magnétisme que ça a. Ah. Tabarouette. Holy mother of God. Whew. Not a rod. Cool. And that's old rod. Really old. Vraiment vieux. Puis un petit bout de je sais pas quoi. Whoa! Another. Un autre. Yeah! Oh, celui-là, il arc. Mastercraft. Un monkey wrench ou une clé à molette en français. Wouhou! Une petite rod. Ah non, c'est pas une rod. Je sais pas c'est quoi, ça fait 2 fois que j'en peins. I don't know what it's used to, but it's been twice. I got it twice. I don't know. Non. Ça, je sais pas c'est quoi. But this is I thought it was like a piece of a crowbar that broke off. Un morceau de crowbar qui aurait brisé, mais c'est pas ça. Aucune idée. Juste un morceau de métal. Pas grave. Ok, c'est quoi ça? So that swivels. That must be from the whole pier. Cool. Washer? Washer. Piece of wire. Still. Oh, got a spring because spring is coming. L'automne, le printemps arrive. Spring is coming. Bon, ben, comme dernière attrapée, as a last throw, we've got a nail, a bolt, a nut, sorry, a bolt, and a Budweiser. Pas mal ça. Fait que clou, bolt, noix, bouchon de bière de Budweiser. We just finished today's adventures. Hope you enjoyed the content. J'espère que vous avez bien aimé l'aventure aujourd'hui. Oui, j'ai eu des belles trouvailles. Yeah, on peut pas avoir mieux. N'oubliez pas, subscribe, comment, push that thumbs up, the bell, notification bell, and please come back and enjoy magnet fishing with me. Thanks everyone. Have a good night. A good night? No. Have a good day. Bye.